Hello students, welcome for Himalaya YouTube channel. Imagine you'll become Indian administrator. In general studies, modern India is an important subject in IAS main and preliminary examination. It consists Europe in India, British administration, formation of Indian National Congress, moderates. Indian National Congress, established by A.O. Hume. Lord Dufferin, Viceroy of India, supported A.O. Hume. Alan Octavian Hume was a British member of the Imperial Civil Service. He was founder of the Indian National Congress. Lord Dufferin, Viceroy of India, 1884 to 1888, assisted A.O. Hume for forming Indian National Congress. Later, he said his ultimate dream in India was seeing death of Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress established at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College at Mumbai in 1885. First session, President was W.C. Banerjee. Up to 1905, Indian National Congress leaders were moderates. Moderate leaders were Dadabhai Nauroji, W.C. Banerjee, Firoz Shah Mehta. Umesh Chandra Banerjee. He was the co-founder and first president of Indian National Congress. Dadabhai Nauroji was the first Indian to be elected to Parliament in Britain, called Grand Old Man of India, wrote Drain of India Wealth Theory. Sir Firoz Shah Mehta became the Municipal Commissioner of Bombay in 1873, moderate leader in Congress. Indian National Congress was like safety valve, releasing Indians' grievance through Indian National Congress. Moderates adopted constitutional methods, trusted British administration in India, adopted 3 Ps for solving Indian problems. Petition means writing problems to British officials. Prayer means requesting officials for solving problem. Protest means peaceful protest. Moderates had no faith on mass movement. Movement confined to English educated urban class in Britain worked for forming public opinion towards Indians. Question. Consider the following statements. Moderates adopted constitutional method. Moderates adopted 3 Ps: petition, prayer, protest. Moderates had no faith on British in India. Which of the statements given above is or correct? A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 2 only. D. 1, 2, 3. Answer A. 1 and 2. Moderates adopted constitutional method. Correct. Moderates adopted 3 P's: petition, prayer, protest. Correct. Moderates had no faith on British in India. Wrong. Moderates had faith on British in India. Students feel you'll become district collector. Thank you. Visit Himalaya YouTube channel.